Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll show you how to turn off active status in Facebook application. So let's get started. So at first let's open a Facebook application. So here it is. So now we are in Facebook applications. So click to the right top corner and then you should see a setting and privacy setting in Facebook applications. So click to the setting here. So now we are in setting and privacy. So below the setting and privacy we have a setting. So click to the setting. Now scroll down. So you should see an option called active status. So click to this active status. So now look at here, the active status is on. That means we are active in Facebook application. So in order to turn off the active status, you just need to click to this option. So turn off. So it will ask for a turn off active status. So click turn off. Now look at here. Now the active status is turned off. So in this way we can turn off the active status in Facebook applications. So that's all for today. See you in next video. Thank you.